Yeah, students, due to technical issues, I'm making the second video, continuation video. Actually, I want to continue in the one video, but it is, Zoom is stopped in between that. So sorry for that. I'm doing the continuation for the first video. Assert underscore one heart. One heart means all zeros are 8 bits are there, all zeros are there, but only one bit should be the one. That is nothing but the assert underscore that is nothing but the one heart encoding. Actually, in one heart encoding, if number of ones will be more than one, then it will shows the error. That will be given by the assert underscore one underscore heart. Okay, this is the expression here. Syntax, we can see that uh, assert underscore one underscore heart, severity level, width, property type, message, coverage underscore level. Only one thing is changed compared to the assert underscore always. Only width is increased. Okay, how much of width of bits you are taking? 8 bits, 16 bits, 32 bits, n bit. What it may be, what is the bit, width of the bit, that you can find out here. Okay, right. One example here, we have like a with assert underscore so assert underscore change and one heart combinedly we have the here example. This is the 1 second. This is the example. You can change assert underscore change for this one. This is the syntax we are writing, and assert underscore one heart we are writing this one. So this is the 8-bit of data, and in 8-bit of data, where is the change that will be shown by the assert underscore change, and if no changes, it will shows that not changed, and more than number of ones are there, then it will be shown by the assert underscore one heart. So that is the assert underscore one heart will be shows that multiple active bits, multiple one is there, then it will be shown by the assert underscore one heart. This is the these two things will be done by the assert underscore change and assert underscore one heart. So I think you are understood these two things, assert underscore change and assert underscore one heart. Okay, right. Next we have the assert underscore cycle sequence, and next one is the uh, assert underscore next. These two we have these for this combinedly, these two we have the one example also that we will also learn here. First we will learn assert underscore cycle underscore sequence. Okay, here severity level, property type, message, coverage underscore all, these four are same like assert underscore always, but here we are checking number of clocks, number of clock cycles, especially this is used for the state machine, no? So number of clock cycles, how many clock cycles it is taking, that is also very very important. And what is the necessary condition? So like it is going to the next state or same state, so condition is required. So that's what we are using, the condition, necessary condition, and number of clock cycles. Okay, these two are the very very important here in the assert underscore cycle underscore sequence. This assertion checks for a sequence of events in a given number of clock cycles. Okay, right. I think you're understood, right? So here I'm taking before taking the exam, I am going to the assert underscore next. Assert underscore next means especially in the state machine, it is going to the it is in the present state, it is going to the next state. So what is the present state and what is the next state, that will be given by the assert underscore next. Okay, if you see here syntax of this one, severity level is compulsory required, uh, and property type and message coverage levels are important. Here number of clock cycle, how many number of clock cycles are taking, and is it overlapping or non-overlapping, that is it will check the overlapping condition. And check missing of start, like it will starting from the reset or not, it is starting correctly, it is starting or not, that it will be checks. That is the assert underscore next. Okay, these two we will check it out with using the example like a one Moore machine we are taken here. Okay, this is the Moore machine. This Moore machine we are checking that you, I think you know already, I explained about everything, like when it will be x equal to true, then it is going to be x equal to false, then it is going to a. That is nothing but the Moore machine, which state it is there, present state is a or b or c or d, that everything, this is the code actually. in this one we are asserting first assert underscore cycle underscore sequence. So which is the sequence we are writing, like a first which one is the current state, and if it's the current state equal to D, our current state equal to E, our current state equal to A, which state is the current state, that we are checking here. Is it following the sequence or not, that message will be given by the assert underscore cycle underscore sequence. Like after the A it should be go to the B, is it going to B or not. So that will be checks that sequence is followed or not. Like 101 sequence is there, is it following the proper sequence or not, that will be find out by assert underscore cycle underscore sequence. And what is the assert underscore next will do, output state, it is reached the output state or not. Like a output state is the, like a E is the output state here, E is the output state, is it reached the output state or not, that will be checked by the assert underscore next. Okay, that's what the output here we have to compulsory write z equal to 1. So z equal to 1, nothing but the output is 1. If it is reached the that one, then it will give the, okay, z equal to 1, else it will shows that output is not reached. Okay, that is the message it will be gives. For that message we have to use the this assert underscore next. So here we have to confirm that assert underscore cycle underscore sequence will shows that is it properly working in the sequence or not. And second one is assert underscore next will check that output state not reached or output state is reached or not, that will be shown by the message. Okay, this is about the total assertions. Dear students, I think that you are understood this assertions, and you will get the one problem, one question from this one. Okay, right? Thank you. If any doubts, you can ask me in the Zoom session. Okay, right. Thank you.